Dr. Raymond Campbell got into horticulture at a young age.
I grew up on a small family farm in southeast Oklahoma. We call it a family farm. My dad's primary crops that he grew were vegetable crops and small fruits.
But Ray got his degree in animal husbandry at OSU and started as a 4-H agent in Cole County.
But later on, I still had this longing to work in the area of horticulture, so I came back and completed a master's degree in horticulture here at OSU.
He went on to work as a county agent in Kansas, where he received his PhD before moving to Virginia.
And then my wife and I, at that time, moved back to Oklahoma, where I became assistant professor in the Department of Horticulture.
In 1983, Dr. Campbell was appointed interim department head. He enjoyed the role of administrator, and his career took another turn, ultimately becoming the associate director for the Oklahoma Cooperative Extension Service.
Some of the most rewarding times of my whole career was when I was assistant director and associate director of Extension and working with not only our field staff, but our state staff and trying to help them look at the ways that we could better serve the people of Oklahoma through Extension.
But it would be another part of his job that would make Ray one of the most recognizable people on campus.
Well, Ray, it really is great to have you back on Oklahoma Gardening.
Thanks a lot, Sue. I'm really looking forward to it. In fact, I'm really excited about being back on Oklahoma Gardening. I've been off for about 3.5 years now, but I've always...
Ray took over as host of the popular television show Oklahoma Gardening in 1980. At one point, Ray was the third most recognizable person on campus.
He is an extension professional through and through. It's in his DNA. He's extremely animated by all that's going on, especially in the plant world. You know, as a horticulturist, and there's so much diversity there, there's always something new to learn. And then he's just compelled to be the teacher and to help others be the teacher.
Dr. Campbell also helped secure the studio gardens for Oklahoma Gardening, which would later become the Botanic Garden at OSU. The Botanic Garden also serves as a home to a special remembrance for his wife. Dr. Joe Campbell was professor emeritus for the College of Education.
Just a sweet, sweet lady, and just a perfect partner for Ray. And she was a very brave lady, as he was, as they dealt with some of her health issues through the years.
After retirement, she was a passionate volunteer for Stillwater's Wings of Hope, an organization dedicated to helping in domestic violence situations.
One of the gifts that my family wanted to make in her honor when she passed away was one of the Wings of Hope butterflies. She loved monarchs, and so we were able to have one made and painted like a monarch, and it is at the south entrance of the garden now.
Ray is eager to see the growth of the Division of Agriculture, especially the growing popularity of the Botanic Garden at OSU.
But I'm also just more delighted to see the new Ferguson College of Agriculture become a reality, because the old building is where I started school in 1961 here. And so, that I've walked the halls of that building many, many times, and even since, and as a professor and administrator there, and thinking, we need some new stuff.
Celebrating Dr. Ray Campbell, 2021 Ferguson College of Agriculture Distinguished Alumnus.